speaks about the ginagawa namin as a whole for women's basketball.
Again, without telegraphing your punches, what is the strength of this team?
They have talent, definitely. So again, all of them are shooters.
He's coach.
I think everybody has the talent to play basketball. We went around the whole country, from Cebu, Davao, Metro Manila, to Cagayan de Oro. I know marami pang parts ng Pilipinas na hindi pa namin napupuntahan, but I think it's a good start, and we were so happy that yung participation ng mga bata o na gustong maglaro for Gilas has been coming around. Dati, sabi ko nga, dati nagpapatryouts ako, mga 10, less than 10. Now it's about 80 kids really coming out and really wanting to play for Gilas. So hopefully it continues, and by having this kind of group and representing the country well, na I know naman na kaya nilang magampanan yun. So hopefully na it will grow more, and again, sabi nga, future of women's basketball is here already.
Coach, anong palagay mo, what is the strength of this team?
Aside that we have enough height and speed, quickness, they're all shooters. So even though they are small or tall, they can penetrate, they can shoot around. I think that's one thing na pwede namin ipagmalaki. Ang kailangan na lang namin gawin is paano namin hindi mapapashoot yung kalaban. Definitely, best of the best din yung kalaban namin. So that's one thing that we have to work on. Playing defense together, and yung having ilalabas sila yung strength nila individually and as a whole.
Yes. Okay, I want to talk to all the players, please. Just short, how do you feel to wear that Gilas Pilipinas uniform? And what are your expectations? What can you promise to us come the competition? Yes, please.
Of course, sobrang proud po kami and thankful na we have to represent the country po. And hopefully po na manalo po namin yung paper.
Again, state your name, please.
Margaret Duenas.
Yes, please. Next. Name first.
Very skilled po. Siyempre po, super proud po na napili po kami para i-represent yung Philippines to compete for Shaba. And gagawin po namin yung best namin para mapanalo po namin yung mga tournaments po.
Yes. Team captain?
Ava Pajardo, just to piggyback on what they said, I'm just super proud and grateful that we have an opportunity like this and to show the world what the youth program, the youth program. Super grateful, and we have high expectations for ourselves, and we're sure to try to fulfill them.
Yeah. Yes?
Gabby Ramos, just to back up for them as well. It's an honor to wear this name across my chest, and it's not lost on me what a privilege it is. And I expect us to pick up right where we left off and hopefully have a better outcome this year.
Yes. Thank you. Next.
Melissa Rodriguez. Yeah, like what I said, it's a big honor to be able to play for this team. It's a big opportunity, and yeah, I know we'll be able to do great things.
Yes.
Naomi Panganiban. I'm very honored and blessed to be here, especially to represent my family here and the whole country as a whole. You know, Philippines, the basketball is a very big part of Philippines, and yeah, we're going to come out with a win for sure.
Yes. Next.
I'm Alicia Margaret Villanueva, and I am very thankful to represent our country, and I do my best to win this.
I'm Oberna Pasaran.
Okay. Go.
Sobrang proud po, blessed po, and honored to be here po. And gagawin po namin yung lahat para manalo po kami. Lalo na po sa first game namin, Thailand. Yan po.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Sofia Canizo, and just like I'm proud to represent my country. I'm proud to represent my country, and yeah.
Okay. Next.
I'm Jolene Husser. I'm very proud and I'm blessed to
be able to represent the Philippines. It's been a dream of mine, so I'm glad that I'm a part of this team.
Yeah. Next. You can stand, please. Yes.
I'm Ashlyn Abong po. Sobrang nakaka-proud ko na masuot syempre yung shirt ng Pilipinas. Then, yung makapromise lang po namin na sa team is makuha po namin yung gold medalist and makapasok po ako sa Division A this coming game po.
Yes. Next. Please stand. Yeah.
I'm Tiffany Reyes. Well, I'm just really grateful and blessed to be a part of this team because it's such a great opportunity, and not many people like us were able to be a part of this team. So I'm just grateful.
Yes. Thank you very much. Yes, B.
Hi, I'm Bigo from Atleta Filipina, and my question is for Ava Fajardo. So, Philippines has really been on the rise in Southeast Asia, especially in women's basketball, as seen by what Gilas Women has achieved. So, how are you and your team inspired by them?
I think, like what you said, we've been on the rise and we've been able to practice with all the athletes in the senior team. They've been very motivating and inspiring. Just watching them practice is already like enough motivation for us to really tailor it to our game. We're super inspired by what the women's team is. We are super inspired by the women's team. We just want to follow them in their footsteps. Just going with them and practicing, watching their games, just watching them play 5-on-5 or playing 5-on-5 against them is just something like we really enjoy and really hope to just whatever learn from them.
Good morning to Coach Julie. Lito Redo po sa Abante. Coach, is this the team na yung 30 points yung average na panalo lagi sa mga kalaban? Or yung under 18 natin yun?
Well, as I've said, we have 7 new players and then 5 upcoming. So with their talents, hopefully we could duplicate again what under 16 did before. Ang importante lang right now is we have to win all the games. So whatever points yung difference, win is a win.
Coach, ano yung huling tournament na sinalihan natin before this?
Last year, 2023, under 16, wherein we won, kaya mag-qualify kami for Division A sa under 16.
Yeah. Coach, gusto ko sanang malaman yung commitment ng bawat isang player pero natanong na sila. But sa inyo, ano yung special bond ng mga girls na to? Kasi napanood ko sila doon nung nandun kami sa Ultra, nakausap si Coach. Puro long range bombers, no? Parang apalanggan eh. No, pero they are very good, very straight shooters. Sa inyo, sa team, Coach, gaano mo sila nakikita yung eagerness na manalo, yung puso na manalo? Ano yung special bonding nila na nakikita mo na magbibigay sa atin ng panalo sa Thailand?
I think they're all winners on their own stage. Kaya namin sila kinuha to play for our team because they have this experiences on their own high school teams. And then second is, I think yung commitment, even though iba-iba yung mga pinanggalingan nila, once they are called to play for the country, walang isip-isip. We want to play for the country. So I think that's one thing na pwede mo, aside with their basketball IQ, their discipline, is the commitment and their passion into playing the sports that we all love.
Just to add on that, siguro mga may special dito, like for example, Nayumi Pangaliban, she's the girl from NBT who scored 51 points. She's averaging more than double-double when she played for the U16. And also Gabby Ramos. Gabby Ramos played U16 for the first time, but he was 20-20, 20 points and 20 rebounds at that time. So, and then of course Eva Fajardo, her sister is Ella Fajardo. She was one of the best players from the under 16. It's really, has more than double-double in every game. So I think not just them scoring, but the whole team here have different talents talaga na sa palagay namin na sila yung magka-contribute just to be one group and playing as a group together going into the game.
Thank you, Coach.
Hi, good morning, Edwin from Metropolis. Tinitignan ko yung kay Naomi, no? Tinitignan yung litrato niya ni Reese, no? Sa US, ni Angel Reese. Kala ko ikaw eh. Then, when Coach Pat said that you scored 51 points, nagulat ako talagang hindi ka lang pala hawik, pati sa laro, no? So, how mentally prepared you are na baka nga maging next or the Philippine version ka ni Reese?
I mean, first of all, that's an honor to be compared to her. She's doing a lot of big things in the U.S., but I just want to take her mentality and, translate it to playing in the games and playing with a chip on my shoulder and putting in the work.
Thank you. Coach Pat, for you, nabanggit kanina na talagang sinuyod niyo yung Pilipinas just to have for a national tryouts. So, sigurado, yung galing, talent, skills dito talagang hindi na unquestionable. No? But, syempre, meron kayong mga special na nakita or character na talagang para maging karapat-dapat sila sa national team. Ano yun?
Yun yung akin yung kagustuhan nilang mag-play. Yun, lagi kong when I look at the players, how they love to play, how they want to play, how they be part of this program that we will have. And I think they all have that mentality na.
Walang prima donna?
Walang prima donna.
Good.
I think we have to start with that na walang ganun. I think we call them, stars in every teams they have before. Pag dinala mo dito, kailangan. So I think yan yung kakaiba sa team na binubuo namin palagi. That they have to be one going into the games.
Coach, singit ko lang, no? Dahil ikaw rin ang coach ng Jones Cup.
Yes.
So, ano yung preparation niyo? Tsaka, ito ba mga player, baka pwedeng isama na ron?
Yeah, pwede.
Ano paganda ang ginagawa natin?
Actually, we're preparing for the Jones Cup already for the senior team. It's also a good preparation tournament for us. Going into the August FIBA pre-qualifying tournament for the World Cup in 2026. So that's our major tournament for this year. So hopefully we could prepare well. I think makumpleto na kami before mga month or 2 months before the tournament in July. Magandang paghahanda ko. I mean, ako sobrang happy ako with what FIBA is doing. Kasi dati ang FIBA tournament would be every 2 years lang. Now it's every year na with this kind of new tournament. And not only we're playing Asia, we're playing the whole world. We'll be playing Brazil, which is number 8 in the world. Hungary, which is number 16 in the world, and then Senegal, number 25. Those 3 teams were already playing last February in the Olympic qualifiers. But unfortunately, they were dropped. They lost all their games. So now they're playing against this pre-qualifying, and just happy na hindi ma-experience, but playing with them. It's an honor na ma-represent natin yung country natin and against these top teams, and hopefully we can compete at the highest level as we can.
Coach, isa pa. Right now, sino ang starting 5 mo?
Coach Julie, tanongin mo.
Coach Julie?
Yun na yung mahirap piliin eh. Kasi lahat sila are talented. It's just a matter of telling them that once you're in, you have to do your job. So wala kaming starting 5, sometimes you have to mix them up. Mas maganda yon para lahat sila always ready kung sino man yung magiging ka-teammate niya.
Before we go to the next question, we'd like to acknowledge our good friend na hindi napakilala kanina. Media Relations Officer of Gilas Pilipinas, Coach Virgil Pisatico. Okay, Clyde, Mariano, then Bong.
I go back up in Southeast and Cape, including the third 2 or 7 seconds in Thailand from the Pilipinas. Our team failed to reign the golden medallion. I covered 4 Asian Games and 3 SIPA. Now, looking at the current clubs of the players, I can say with pride that the team is formidable and impregnable. Can your players live up to expectation?
Well, I hope so. Kasi that's the, siguro sabi natin, kaya sila naglalaro ng basket.
Yes.
They want to play at the highest level all the time. And I think expectation-wise, they can exceed that. And hopefully we can do more to represent our country and to give honor to our country.
Patrick, you handled the team for so many years, for so long, and I know that. So now, can you assure the 110 million Filipinos and as well as MVP that this is going to be a year for the Philippine team in Sabah?
Of course, definitely. I'm proud, and I'm here to support these kids to do their best and represent our country well. And hopefully, with that, we give honor not only SBP, but our sponsor, Mr. MVP, and everybody who's been supporting the group.
Next question, Patrick. Is Mr. Manny Pangilinan in SBP Hidden Alpanelio promise something special just in case the team wins the Golden Medallion?
No.
Ang laging sinasabi namin sa mga players sa investment, manalo muna tayo at saka na tayo
Erika, ang goal at dream ng Pinto is to win the gold. Nothing more, nothing less. By all means, hope and by God, you have to win the gold. To please and satisfy the Filipinos and the country. So, can you assure that this will again deliver the precious medal?
Again, that's up to the coaches and the players. We can only hope for the best and support them in this award.
This question is addressed to Ms. Reyes, who I think is the youngest in the under-13 team at 13 years old, and whose father has previous experience. Kasi previously we experienced the J.R. Reyes pala tatay mo. So how does it feel to be the youngest? Tapos meron ka pang, kumbaga, tatay mo that may pro experience. Saan ba siya naglaro earlier? Sa PBA, ang father mo?
Ano po?
Saan naglaro sa PBA ang tatay?
He played in multiple teams po, like San Miguel, Ginebra, Meralco, Phoenix.
Okay. So ngayon, ikaw pinakabata, tapos yun na, you carry the name of someone who has at PBA experience. Pressure ka ba doon? Obviously. And 13 years old ka lang kasi?
A little bit po. It's definitely gonna be a big challenge for me because they're a lot stronger and bigger than me, but I will do my best.
Okay, so how do you overcome those challenges? The pressure?
All I need to
Given
do
your
is
background.
Contribute to the team and just help them.
Alright, thank you. All the best.
Good morning! Social media questions naman tayo kay Ava, kay Naomi, and Gabby. How do you expect this competition to be tough because of many Asian teams that you will competed with? Ava, first.
I'm sorry, can you repeat it?
Can you tell us more about... Can you tell us how tough it was the competition pitting against the Asian teams? Ava first.
In previous Asian games, obviously it was tough. Like a bunch of the teams were a lot taller and stronger, but we always have something in us that we want to win. So we always find ways to play our style and play our way in order to overcome the other teams who are also as well good.
Okay, Naomi.
Yeah, like Ava mentioned, they're going to be bigger than us. We're probably going to be one of the smaller teams, but I think we play with a lot of puso, and we work hard, and we just use our speed to get to the basket and our shooting skills. I think our skills are more on point than everybody else's.
Okay, Gabby.
I think they said it really well, but I think again, being an undersized team and
going. These games are tough. Everybody wants to represent their country and represent it well, and we just have to buy into what our coaches have been teaching us, and follow the game plan and win the games the best way we know how, and not worry about what anybody else is putting forward.
Okay, Coach Julie, nakikita mo ba sa mga players, maganda kasi composition, more veterans and the newcomers, nakikita nila na may puso ba sila sa training, and of course, may composure ba sila sa training sessions?
I think they can play under pressure, na yung kanilang mentality, yung kanilang basketball IQ is very high, kaya very silang turuan. Every time we give them instructions, easily they could adopt it. So they are all very coachable and committed.
Lastly, kay ED Eric